Understanding idioms. Slow as a turtle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English idiom, slow as a turtle. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering the English language, as they add color and expressiveness to our conversations. So, let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily communication. The phrase, slow as a turtle, is used to describe something or someone that moves very slowly. Turtles are known for their slow pace, so the comparison creates a vivid image of slowness in the listener's mind. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in a light-hearted or playful context, rather than to express frustration or impatience. While the exact origin of the phrase is unclear, it's rooted in the universal recognition of the turtle's slow movements. For centuries, turtles have symbolized slowness in various cultures. This idiom is a part of a larger family of phrases that compare someone's speed, or lack thereof, to that of a well-known slow-moving animal. 1. Describing someone's movement or work pace. 2. He's as slow as a turtle when it comes to finishing his homework. 3. In a humorous or affectionate manner. 4. You're slow as a turtle, but I love our leisurely walks together. 5. To emphasize patience or lack of hurry. 6. There's no need to rush. Let's take this slow as a turtle and enjoy the process. This idiom and its variations have been used in literature and popular media to convey characters' traits or set the tone for a scene. It's a simple yet effective way to describe scenarios or characters without lengthy explanations. And that's a wrap on the idiom, slow as a turtle. Idioms like this enrich our language and allow us to express ideas in creative and relatable ways. I hope this video helps you understand and use slow as a turtle confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, sometimes fast, sometimes slow as a turtle. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.